Hi boys and girls. Hi to all of the mummies and daddies at home. My name is Elenna and I'm gonna take you through a kid's yoga class today. We're gonna start sitting crisscross in our space and take 3 big balloon breaths together. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Are you ready? Inhale. And exhale. In and out. Last one. Close your eyes, and I want you to think about somebody that you love. Great job. Let's start in butterfly. So we're gonna bring the soles of our feet together. We're gonna open our legs up like big butterfly wings. Let's flap our wings together. Today we're gonna warm up our legs and our hips, flying like butterflies. Good job. Next, let's go into dragonfly. So we're gonna open up our legs nice and wide. Good job, and we're gonna reach forward as far as you can. We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next, we're gonna come and reach for our toes. Are you ready? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Let's lay down on our backs. We're gonna go into happy baby. So hanging on to our big toes or the outside edges of our feet. Open knees up wide and let's rock side to side. Rocking our happy babies at home. And let's settle in the center and take 3 big breaths together. Are you ready? Great job. Let's hug our knees into our chest. Rock side to side a couple of times, giving yourself a big hug. Let's stretch our legs up to the ceiling and reach for our toes. We'll do it 3 times. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Great job at home. Next, let's go into bridge pose. So we're gonna bend our knees. We're gonna push into our feet, palms face down on the floor. Lift your hips nice and high. Make a big bridge shape with our bodies. Let's take 3 big breaths. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and slowly lower our hips. Lengthen our legs. Reach our arms out overhead. Take 3 big breaths here. Last one. Reach, reach, reach. And let's get ready. Let's stand up together. We're gonna go into mountain pose. So let's stand nice and tall, reach our arms down, reach and stretch up through the top of the head, big and strong. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Next, let's go into tree pose. So we're gonna try our best to balance on 1 foot. If you need to stand on 2 feet at home, that's okay too. We're gonna try to bend up our leg, bring our foot to the inside of our calf muscle, reach our arms up. Let's grow our big tree branches. Reach, reach, reach. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's try the other side. So again, if we need to stand on 2 feet today, that's okay. If you can bend up your leg, that's great too. And let's reach and grow our big tree branches. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next, let's try airplane. So we're gonna try to balance on one foot again. Are you ready? Lifting up the other. We're gonna reach our arms out, bring our bodies down, and try our best to balance here, flying through the air together. Good job at home. Let's try our other leg. Balancing as best we can. Reach out our arms, lift up the leg, and bring our bodies down, chest down. Good job at home, trying your best to balance on one leg. Great job. Next, let's go into rocket pose. So we're just gonna stand nice and tall. Bring our arms over our heads into the top of our rocket ship. Let's blast off into space, looking up to the sky. Reach, 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 reach. Good job, and let's shoot our rocket to one side and then to the other side. Good job at home. Next, let's go into chair pose. Open up our feet a little bit wider. Let's bend our knees. We're gonna sit in our imaginary chair. Reach the arms up to the ceiling. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's go into star pose. Open your legs up a little bit wider. Reach your arms up. Take up as much space as you can. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Now let's do 3 big star jumps. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's go into gorilla pose. So we're gonna bend our knees. We're gonna stand on our hands together, getting a nice big stretch. Let's take 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Roll all the way back up. Great job. Let's try a little more balancing. We're gonna go into flamingo pose. So trying our best to balance on one leg. We're gonna bend up our knee. Tuck our arms in. Let's make our flamingo wings. Let's try our best for 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's try the other foot. Bending up your knee if you can. 1, 2, 3. Great job at home. Next, let's do toes to sky. So we're gonna reach all the way down to our toes, all the way up to the sky 3 times. Are you ready? All the way down and all the way up. That's 1. All the way down, all the way up. That's 2. All the way down, all the way up. 3. Reach, 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 reach. Great job. Let's come down back onto our space. We're gonna come in to our tabletop. So hips on top of our knees, hands are under our shoulders. Let's do some cat and cow stretches. So pull your tummy in, let your head hang round the spine. Look all the way up to the ceiling. Pull the tummy in, let your head hang. Look all the way up to the sky. Let's do it one more time. Tummy in. Look all the way up. Nice big stretch. Great job at home. Next, let's come down onto our tummies. We're gonna come into a cobra stretch. So the legs are long, elbows are under our shoulders, and let's lift our heads up, pretending we're a big cobra snake. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next, let's fly like Superman or Supergirl. So let's reach our arms up, lift up our arms and our legs, and let's pretend that we're flying in the sky like we're superheroes. Use your nice strong muscles at home. Good job. And next, let's pretend that we're swimming. Are you ready? So your arms are gonna reach out in front of you. You're gonna kick your legs and paddle your arms. We're gonna pretend that we're swimming today. Good job. And next, let's give our back a nice big stretch. Push into your hands. Take 3 big balloon breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's make our way to a kneel down position. And take 3 breaths, sitting nice and tall. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. I want you to think about your favorite person. Let's bring our hands to heart center. We'll close out our yoga class like mummies and daddies do with our special word. Are you ready? Namaste. The good in me sees the good in you, and together we are all connected. I hope you had fun today, boys and girls. I'll see you soon.